seat. We're out today trying to get to the backside of Gunlock Reservoir because there's an overflow and cool waterfalls right now because there's plenty of water from our rain and snow this winter, but I might have taken us the wrong way. So we'll see if we get there. Little cactus. Turns out my way wasn't wrong, it was just different. Hello. Your water.
We're taking a little bit of a roundabout way. Ooh, maybe not. To get to the waterfall. There's a lot of people around today and I'm camera shy. Directly in front of us is the dam that normally holds Gunlock back. Last time we were here looking at that dam, you could see a good portion of it. Like I think we actually could walk across it.
Yeah.
But not anymore, not right now.
This part reminds me of the trash compactor scene in Star Wars. In our last video, in the 10K training and weight loss video, you saw a picture of me looking chubby.
In the blue shorts.
In the blue shorts and I think a tie-dye shirt, baby wearing little Ton. That was the last time we were here. And now he's this big. And too big for me to baby wear. Steve baby wears.
Real men wear babies, right, Ton?
That's our family motto.
Say right?
Right.
Who's this?
Papa.
Who's this?
No.
Who's that?
No.
Who's
No,
this?
you're
Who's this?
No.
Ton!
Ton.
I.
Where's
Your eyeball? Ton, should we teach the people some of your words? Can you say psycho? Psycho. Can you say poot? They already know that one. What does a bunny say?
Oh.
Perfect. What does an owl say?
Mm.
Hoot! What does a horse say? What's some other good ones? What about a frog? Ribbit, ribbit. Good job.
Yeah.
What does a duck say? Quack, quack, quack. One of the really unique things about southern Utah is the ability that the weather and climate has to change within just 30 minutes or so. The road that we came in on is right behind us there. If you go that way, 40 minutes, you go to Pine Valley, which we will definitely have a video of one day. And Pine Valley has a reservoir there that's smaller than Gunlock, but in the winter, it freezes over. It's so thick that people are able to ice fish on it. And then there's places like Gunlock here that don't get any snow, just a few minutes away. But as you saw in a little bit earlier part of the video, there are still snow-capped mountains around us, and we're probably in about 50-degree weather right now.
52.
Wearing 52, wearing light sweatshirts. Han is able to be in his seat, and it's just good.
Glad I picked the other way to come down first. Pay at the damn parking lot. You get a trip? You gonna trip on the rock? Wow, he tripped. We're at the car. This is a rodeo grounds. I don't know if we'll use this audio. This is a rodeo grounds for the cute little city of Gunlock. It's very cute. Basically this main road. Oh yeah, I didn't go slower. There is, what is that? A church house? A schoolhouse? Whatever it is, it's still decorated for Christmas. A fire station. A couple bikers.
Three, two, no.
That's too many moving parts.
No,
No?
I don't know. I wouldn't do it.
Okay, well, you know me, so I'm doing it.
Don't do it.
I'm doing it.
3, 2, 1.
Ready? That was not bad.
Give us a pose.
That is a volcano, an inactive volcano. But we are now in Veyo, which
Might
is
be called dormant.
dormant.
Can't
Yeah.
remember. Whichever one means that it still could blow, but it hasn't in a long time.
Yeah. Don't quote us on volcano jargon. But Veyo is nicknamed the land of volcanoes because there are quite a few dormant or inactive volcanoes. This is one of our favorite places to come in Veyo, Veyo Pies. This place is somewhat of a legend with their pies and lunch stuff. Chicken pot pies. Hold on, he's ready to go. The chicken pot pie has a delicious, flaky, traditional crust. It's super creamy and piping hot every time we come here. So the volcano pie is like a Veyo Pies original. It's a chocolate-based pie. It has a graham cracker crust, and it's got a layer of butterscotch before the whipped cream. Stop this.
And a bite?
You do have to know when you come here though, everything is gone first come, first serve. One of my favorite things here is the danishes. They have a killer danish. They're gone because we came a little later in the day and there's not a lot of seating here. So be prepared to eat it outside. There's seating outside, but it's sometimes a little cold and a little windy. Today it's a little windy. Luckily there's not a lot of people inside, but there's really like 10 spots to sit.
Thank you guys for watching the video today. Please enjoy some sights of beautiful volcanoes to send you out.